Hey friends, it's Jen from Gold Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Jane's Agenda Deluxe Lifestyle Subscription Box. So if that sounds good to you, then just keep watching. Hey you guys, how's everybody doing? I am super excited because today I am unboxing the Jane's Agenda Lifestyle Subscription Box. And if you've been hanging out here for a while, which if you have, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. You know that since September, I've been subscribed to the monthly cover club from Jane's Agenda, but I finally went ahead and upgraded. So if you're not familiar, Jane's Agenda is a planner company. They sell mainly items for disc-bound and ring-bound planners, and they offer 3 different subscriptions. The monthly cover club, which I'll link one of those videos for you so you could see what that's all about. But basically, you receive covers, either 2 laminated covers if you're in discs or 2 laminated dashboards. If you're in rings, you get 2 cardstock dashboards and you get a page finder. The lifestyle subscription box gets you some different dashboards, lifestyle items, and usually some type of inserts. Or you can get the deluxe, which is what I have here, which has everything. And I am so excited, you guys. I was really sad after I saw unboxings of the January box. I wish I had upgraded then, but I didn't. But here we are. And I know that, I was talking quite a bit over the last few months about the reason I hadn't upgraded was because I was trying to stick to my budget, and I have not let my budgeting journey go. I just felt like I was in an okay position to give it a try. And if I start to feel differently, then I will downgrade. I'll also mention that I'm a Jane's Agenda affiliate. I do have a link and a code down in the description box. If you're making your first purchase with Jane's Agenda, sub box excluded, you can save 15%. Thank you so much if you choose to do that. All right, let's get into the box. Okay, I have peeked in here a little bit, but I wanted you to see how beautifully it's packaged. Look at all that goodness. All right, I'm going to save your ears and take things out of the wrapping. So let me move this box aside and I'll be right back. First up, we have a tour card. This is a really pretty one. The tour card usually shows you everything that's inside the box, usually has some kind of beautiful imagery that matches the theme of the box. I always like to use these as journaling cards. It's really pretty. This is February 2023. And then on the back, it tells you all the goodies. First up, we have this incredibly beautiful premium zipper pen pouch. It says it is a blush vegan leather with champagne accents. Really pretty. Love this color. Jane, I hope you'll come out with a planner cover in this color because I'm obsessed. Let's open her up. So a nice size. I like pouches that are like this. Let's put a couple things in it. See, here's a Papermate flare. Fits nicely. What else do I have close by that I can throw in here? This is a pen from Note. It's probably smaller than a normal pen. Here's a friction. Yeah, they fit. Look at all the room you have. That is a nice pouch. Very nice. All right, I'm loving that. So you guys, I am showing you these things in no particular order, but I will do my best to point out what I believe comes in the cover club. I'll do my best to make sure I show you that. So next we have some rose gold paper clips, circle paper clips, really pretty. Then we have a friction erasable pen in blue. I know that is polarizing in this community. Some people like blue, some people are very anti-blue. Oh, that's how it goes. So you push this part down to get it to click. I like friction pens. When I very first got into planning, this one's pretty too. When I very first got into planning, I used friction pens a lot because I was afraid of making mistakes. I don't use them as often, but I do still use them sometimes. Yeah, I like this. I'll definitely use it. Then we have a couple quote cards. I love Jane's quote cards. I am going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life. Well, that's nice. Elsie DeWolf and Be You Bravely. That is something that has been on my mind this year. Then we have an adhesive pocket. I've never bought an adhesive pocket from Jane. I have bought some. I actually didn't end up using them yet, but I think these are really cool. Let's see. It's a corner pocket, so I don't know how well you can see, but see here, you put that in the corner. Maybe you could put it on the inside cover of your planner or on a dashboard, and then you can stick some things inside and it will hold them. So that's really nice. I'm really excited to get that. So now we have a notations journal. It says it's a travel size. It has 50 sheets of 100 GSM paper. And anything else to know about it? It says it's lined rose gold and dovetail gray, which I do not own the dovetail gray cover, vegan leather cover from Jane's Agenda yet. It's coming. So I'm not sure if this is the exact coloring. Ooh, those work out. Ooh, very nice. The Jane's Agenda vegan leather covers. I have the one in cream. They are so nice. And this has that same, this is even like almost on the edge of suede. Oh, it's not lined. It's dot grid. It is dot grid paper. Okay, well, that could make a fun little creative journal. Lots of possibilities. So that's always nice to have. So no complaints there. Oh, we've also got a little card mentioning that a warehouse sale is coming in February. Woo, that's exciting. We have two different inserts that are in this box. This one is a nice habit tracker. I think let's see what they call it. They call it a tip in planner insert, a monthly habit tracker. But it's like kind of a little shorter than a half sheet. You have your habit and then your 31 days or 30, depending on the month. And you can track your habit over the course of the month. So that's really nice, really cool. Next up, we have these self-care inserts. You get 3 months, and I'm actually re-recording this segment of the video. So if you notice that my sleeves are different, because when I showed them the first go around, I didn't flip through enough and I didn't really see the full extent of what they are. And I had to show you because they're really nice inserts. So like I said, they're self-care inserts. They're undated. On the edge here, you have the months of the year. So I suppose maybe you would circle or use a dot sticker to indicate what month you're using them for. So you get a little cover page that says, I am strong. And then, let me just do this for a moment. You have a 2-page weekly spread. So you have Monday through Sunday here, and then a blank box where I'm assuming you could write in the date. On the sidebar here, we have 3 categories: mind, body, and soul. You also, on this sidebar, have 2 boxes: gratitude and notes. And then we just have a blank vertical box for the category mind. So I suppose that you could use that in a number of ways. You know, you could do like a little mini journaling in there. You could write a positive affirmation in there. You could expand on gratitude if you wanted and do a daily gratitude. You could do, you know, a lot for myself. the thing that I have been trying to build up and kind of I categorize under mind is reading. I love reading. I used to be an avid reader, and I haven't been doing all that much reading as of late. So possibly I could track that there. And then under body, you have a line for weight. You have your meal planning here. So breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner. Then you have a line for steps. And then you have this box which says exercise, and I'm assuming that these are a water tracker. Okay, then you have sleep, hours, and quality. And then we have the category of soul, which I think could probably be also a lot of different things depending on how you interpret it. It could be perhaps something around your spiritual practice. So, you know, there's so many possibilities here. So I really do like these inserts. So let's look at the whole thing now. How many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I appreciate that, because since they're undated, you don't know how long that month is going to be. And then this is part of what I neglected to show is on the back page of that month, you have month of, and it's a sleep tracker. So you have days 1 through 31, then hours, 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all the way up to 9 a.m. And then quality. So this is really cool, because this is also something that I've been really needing to work on. I did not add it into my January goals, but I had already started thinking that it was something I wanted to work on in February. So I'm really psyched about these inserts. I think they will be going into my February setup. So then we have I am capable, which starts your second month of your 3-month set. And then, you know, again, just repeating. And then let's see what's on the last one. Okay. And then you have your sleep tracker, and then you have I am powerful. So those are really nice affirmations on each cover page of your self-care inserts. Now we'll get back to the rest of the box. Next up, we have Vellum and dashboards. These are the ones that would come if you got the lifestyle box. I found all the items that are for the cover club, and we'll do those last. First of all, we have a beautiful Vellum, a new era of me, because this is a self-love, a themed box if you didn't gather that already. A new era of me, February 2023. So pretty. This is my favorite part, the layering, the Vellum, the cardstock, the dashboards, the covers. I love all of that. And then we have this beautiful painting of a woman drinking wine. Yeah, same on both sides, very pretty. And there's that with the Vellum over it, so very pretty. I love this one. So we have a terrace view of the Eiffel Tower. Here's our Vellum over that, which I think that's gorgeous. And this one is also the same on both sides, so I really like that one. That's a contender for my cover. Next up, this is the first item from the cover club. We have a page finder. So this one is like an old newspaper in French, I assume. Really pretty, so I like that. So these pop on your planner, and you can use it as like a little mini top tab. Now we have the dashboards that would be in the monthly cover club, as well as this box. So we have like a Parisian hotel, very pretty. Want to see it with the Vellum over it? That's cool. I don't know if I like it as much, but that's cool. And then the other side, ooh, is very pretty. We have our flowers on our pillow. And that's what that would look like. That's pretty too. So also a contender for the cover. You know me, I love florals. So that's that. And then lastly, we have our covers, which are laminated vellum, and they have these beautiful white florals on them. So pretty. So let's see what it looks like over the different dashboards. Slide it up. So that's pretty. That's with our flowers on the pillow. That's over the hotel. Over Our Lady with the wine, also very pretty. And over our Eiffel Tower. Yep. I really like that. I don't know, you guys. I might end up doing that. I'm not sure. All right, guys, that is the deluxe lifestyle subscription box from Jane's Agenda for February. So beautiful. I am loving it. Let me know what you think. What are your favorite items? And that is going to do it for this one, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.